So I do a little bit of gold plating. Quite surprised at the recent number of views that my other videos received, because yeah, absolute shock. I haven't done it for a while, but I've started doing it again recently, and I've come up with a little timer unit. Let's see if you can see that nice and clear there. Let's try and there we go. Right, so very simple. You can press to start, press to start, press to start. You can then pause it. You can hold the button down and change the amount of time. And again, pause it. If you want to reset it, you just tap the button when it's paused. If it's running, absolutely nothing. And also very quickly, if you want to start it running, you can. You can't stop it. You've got to actually press the button to stop it. So what I'm going to do is just very quickly run this one. And that's how it tells you that it's run out. It then goes into the negative. Every 10 seconds, it gives you a warning. It's nice and red so you can see straight away. Again, when you stop it, you can just reset it, start it again. Okay, so the unit itself. Let's just disconnect that. Oh, that's just my little screen cover that goes, it was glued to just a little plastic protecting cover. Let's just zoom out a touch for you. Yes, that just glues on there. It's just to make it look a little bit neater, just to hide it. The sticker, done on the Cricut. If you've saw the other video of, if I've even put it up yet, the video of the Garage Gremlin, exactly the same way. So there we go. Really simple. Unfortunately, this circuit had a little bit of mess going on, so I had to work around it. But yeah, that wasn't supposed to happen. Really simple, straightforward 3D printed case. It's got little legs in the corner. So just sits on there quite happily. It's a tight fit. There it is. These, I'm deliberately not sticking that down, because obviously if I get chemicals or anything on it, I can just get rid of it and replace it. And there we go. That's it.